Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2020 Volvo XC40 T5 R Design in Fusion Red Metallic with a charcoal Nubuck and Nappa leather interior. This all-wheel drive SUV has less than 24,000 miles on it. You get sweet R Design details like the black grille with all the gloss black trim and the black roof. They're 21-inch wheels. This also has the advanced package, so you get the 360-degree camera system. You get pilot assist with adaptive cruise control, which is the semi-autonomous drive mode that allows you to trust the car, has you safely in between the lines on the road and at a safe distance from the car in front of you. There's keyless entry and a hands-free power liftgate, integrated roof rails up top, dual integrated tailpipes. The XC40 is an absolute joy to drive. It sits up high, but it drives like a car, nimble, easy to maneuver in and out of traffic, easy to park. There's plenty of space back here, and there is this luggage cover, but if you don't like that, it conveniently stores right below here. And this is also a grocery divider, so you could take this plastic piece off and tuck that in and now have two separate areas in the back of your car. A little power out back. Those seats do fold down flat. This has the upgraded Harman and Kardon stereo system. There's memory seating for two. You get this cool sort of tech inlay and plenty of space in the doors, and this felt is made from recyclable materials, and these seats are so comfortable. This has the leg extension piece. It's a manual piece, so this pops out like that, and this also has a secret drawer. Not so secret now. I love the perforated leather on the sides. The white stitching is just a really cool detail. There's a panoramic sunroof with a power sunshade. We'll open that up to let all the light in. Wireless phone charger you can plug in right here for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Your ignition switch is right here. Get this started. You get the R Design steering wheel, nice perforated leather along the sides, paddle shifters. This has auto high beams, rain sensing wipers, navigation, easy to use touchscreen. Set your destination. You're ready to go. The climate control is all along the bottom here. Heated seats in the front and a heated leather wrapped steering wheel. Your vehicle functions are all off to the left. Start stop option is here. So the Polestar, we get into this drive mode button here. We get to the Polestar engineered setting, and you'll see it show up on your digital driver display right there. And so what that means is this has a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine with 249 horsepower, but with that Polestar optimization, it increases the horsepower by just a few, but it's more about the overall performance You get quicker gear shifts, more responsive throttle time, and it does not affect your fuel economy. So it's a nice performance upgrade without costing you any extra fuel. Apple CarPlay, your sound experience, you can adjust right here. You drop this down, you'll get into your settings, and there's a million different things to check out. This also has the cool removable trash can. Plenty of space in here. Your parking brake hold, which is great in a coffee line or in traffic. Little thing, I don't know, this kind of maybe just fits your key, or your phone does stand straight up if you'd like that. And then over here you have a little hook, great for takeout, so you don't have to worry that your to-go food is all over your back seat. There's a lot to know about these cars. This one is gorgeous, and it's available for immediate delivery. It's stock number 6415A. There's a link in the description box below for all the details, but we'd love to see you on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. Oh, and I forgot to open the sunroof, so I think that's getting it. All right, thanks guys, we'll see you soon from Portland Volvo.